Hello good day viewers, welcome back once again. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. In this video, we are going to solve for the value of values of x in the following exponential equation, right? Here we have 1 over 4 to the power of 3x squared plus 1. This is equal to 128 to the power of x, right? Okay, now before we proceed, let us take note of the following identity. When we have 1 over a to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of negative n, right? So this actually means that 1 over 4, this is equal to 1 over 2 squared. So this is equal to 2 to the power of negative 2, right? Okay. Again, from the right hand side of the equation, 128 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. So let us take note of this. And again, the last or the final property here, when we have a to the power of b raised to the power of c, this is same as a to the power of b times c. Okay, now let's get to the video. From the left inside this bracket, we are going to write it as 2 to the power of negative 2, then raised to the power of 3x squared plus 1. And this is equal to 128, which is 2 to the power of 7, then raised to the power of x, right? Okay, according to this property right over here, we are going to multiply negative 2 by this power here. So here we have 2 to the power of negative 2 into bracket 3x squared plus 1. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of 7 times x, which is 7x. So we can see that we have the same basis from both sides. So we are going to equate the powers, right? So from here we have negative 2 into bracket 3x squared plus 1. This is equal to 7x, right? So from here, let us open this bracket. So here we have negative 6x squared minus 2. And the term at the right hand side moving to the left hand side. So this will become negative 7x. And this is equal to 0. So we can factor out a negative 1. So we have the whole of this to be positive, right? So from here, plus 2 plus 7x, and this is equal to 0. So divide both sides by negative 1. And here by negative 1. So this negative 1 and this negative 1 will cancel out. So from here we have 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. This is equal to 0, right? Okay, from here we're going to make use of the general quadratic formula, right? That is given by x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? And here a is equal to coefficient of x squared, which is 6. B is equal to coefficient of x, which is 7. And c, the constant, is equal to 2, right? So here we have the solution. X is equal to negative b, which is minus 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared is 7 squared, minus 4 times a, 4 times 6 times b. 4 times a, that is 4 times a times c, that is times 2 here. Then all over 2 times a is 2 times 6 from here. So this is equal to negative 7 plus or minus. Here we have the square root of 7 squared is 49. Then minus here 4 times 6 is 24 times 2. That will give us 48. Then all over 2 times 6, this will give us 12, right? So from here we get x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus, this is 1 from here, and the square root of 1 is 1. So here we get 1, then over 12. And we have two values here. negative 7 minus 1 over 12, and negative 7 plus 1 over 12. So let's go ahead and simplify this properly. So here we have x is equal to, negative 7 minus 1, that will give us negative 8, and negative 8 over 12, this simplifies or reduces to negative 2 over 3 if we use 4. So here is the first value of x. Then the next one, we have x is equal to negative 7 plus 1 will give us negative 6, right? And negative 6 over 12, that reduces to negative 1 over 2. And these are the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.